Feeling like your brain's in a bit of a fog lately? Can't seem to remember stuff or focus like you used to? Well, stick around because we're diving into the topic of brain fog. Hi, I'm Dr. Will Haas, the innovator behind VYVE Wellness, and your guide through the exciting world of integrative medicine and cellular medicine. So, can brain fog be cured? At VYVE, we offer a scientifically validated solution to enhance brain health through our Neurocognitive Optimization Program, personalized to address your unique neurobiology. This provides a clear pathway to eliminating brain fog in 3 key steps. First, we begin by identifying the root causes and barriers to optimal brain health through advanced testing. Utilizing cutting-edge EEG technology, we map the areas of your brain that require the most attention, which allows us to craft a perfectly tailored neurocognitive training program. This individualizes the approach, ensures that the program is specifically built to enhancing your brain function within just 60 days. Next, you'll gain access to easy-to-use brain training tool designed to help you break free from old thinking patterns and swiftly transition into positive mental states. Through neurofeedback, you're empowered to think, feel, and perform better, all while engaging with your favorite TV shows. Additionally, our board-certified health coaches work closely with you, exploring diet and lifestyle upgrades to enhance your mood, memory, and concentration. As you progress through the program, the benefits become increasingly noticeable. A follow-up EEG scan will highlight a minimum of a 25% improvement in brain function over the past 60 days. These advancements manifest as uplifted mood, enhanced memory, increased creativity, and greater productivity, significantly enhancing your daily life. Embarking on this transformative journey with us, you'll find a dedicated companion in your mission to dispel mental fog and unlock peak performance, assuring long-term excellence in cognitive functions. This focus on transformation becomes even more crucial when considering brain fog, a complex symptom stemming from a variety of factors including stress, sleep deprivation, hormonal changes, poor nutrition, and certain medical conditions which can severely impede daily activities. VYVE's Neurocognitive Optimization Program offers a beacon of hope for substantial improvement. By tackling the underlying causes and leveraging advanced techniques such as neurofeedback and personalized coaching, you are empowered to unleash your brain's full potential, ensuring sustained cognitive wellness and peak performance. So stay tuned for more wellness insights, practical advice, and tips to help you achieve optimal health and well-being. Drop your comments below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.